Welcome to Mr. Peacock and Friends Hidden Treasures. We're all wondering what you're going to be doing today.
Today, I'm going to show you how we can ring a bell.
Ring a bell?
Oh yes, and this is a cool place to ring a bell.
Should we go ring a bell?
Let's do that.
Okay.
We are in Gray, Iowa, home of the Heritage Rose Garden.
That's right. There's supposedly 195 varieties of roses here. There's also supposed to be a 130-year-old church steeple made into a pergola. I want to go see them.
I think we better show everybody that wonderful rose garden in this big town of Gray, Iowa.
That's right. Let's go check it out.
Well, we made it to Gray, Iowa's Heritage Rose Garden, and Mrs. Peacock has something to show me that's very special in this rose garden.
Yes, that's right. I can already smell the roses. Doesn't it smell good?
What is that structure over there?
That is a church steeple, and supposedly it's 130 years old. They made it into a pergola, and people can have weddings here.
You know, if they come at the right time of the year, the roses are blooming, and what a place to have a wedding in this huge town of how many people?
I think 82 people live in this town, and 4 ladies wanted to do something to attract people and visitors. So they came out here and planted roses and must have got the church steeple.
And guess what?
What?
They attracted us here on our hidden treasures, and this is definitely a hidden treasure here in Iowa.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, it's a little small town. Just think, any small town could do this and could attract people and have something unique. So I think every town should think about that.
There is a rope here, and it's attached to a bell. I'm going to wake up.
I suppose you're going to ring it.
I'm going to ring the bell to let them know that we're here to check out their wonderful rose garden.
Okay. That's loud.
I don't know if I want to wake up the town, but that is interesting to say the least.
I would say so.
After ringing that bell, Mrs. Peacock found the plaque right by the bell. Tell us some more about this, Mrs. Peacock.
That's right. It says this steeple, that's a pergola. The steeple was part of Gray's first church, the United Brethren Church, built in 1890. In 1927, the building was purchased by the Assembly of God congregation. They held their final service on July 10th, 1980. The building was later demolished, but the steeple was kept intact and taken to a nearby farm. It was returned to Gray and in 1997 placed in this park as a tribute to the community. That's nice. Isn't this pretty rose? It smells wonderful. I think that's an old-fashioned variety.
I thought it was a birdhouse, but they put a replica of the Assembly of God Church on a post here for us to see in this wonderful rose garden.
Well, that's right. And look out the steeple. It's the same steeple. Look at that. That's how it looked in the old days. And they kept the steeple. I like this. Look at this. Isn't this good? Isn't this pretty? We can have a reception here.
You can have the reception, and you know what? In a year or two, I bet they have some grapes growing above here. And there's some more roses over there. They're all over the place, Mrs. Peacock.
It's nice. And then they put little benches and statues. They did a nice job.
Well, here we are in the middle of Main Street in Gray, Iowa, less than 100 people population. If you want to find a quiet place to live in America, this is the place to come. You can stand in the middle of the street on a beautiful summer morning and enjoy the rose garden over here and the wonderful peacefulness. And we got a pop machine at the end of the road there for their people who are thirsty here in this wonderful town of Gray, Iowa. You've just seen the Heritage Rose Garden in Gray, Iowa.
I thought that was a fun little place to go to, and the town is so small. And the fact that they did that, I think is great.
And it's so fragrant in that rose garden. You gotta go there to see it, and if you're looking for a small place to live, that's the place in rural America, especially Iowa.
Yeah, it was a nice, quiet town. I liked it.
I enjoyed seeing everything around that rose garden.
Time's up. We've got to go. So until next time, I'm Mr. Peacock and friends. We'll see what's happening at Peacock Farm. Right, Mr. Peacock?
You bet, and I can't wait to show you our next hidden treasures.
See you later.
If you like our videos,
Please subscribe
like
and share.
with all your friends.